Welcome again to this particular video. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use this particular manual treadmill. Now, first of all, when they have mounted it, the other video is for mounting, so you can go and watch it. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can comment and tell us what you've learned or what you want us to do well. Now, the first step is every treadmill. First of all, start walking on the treadmill to get used to how it works. Not all treadmills work the same. For the manual treadmill, you put your weight on your front leg while pushing it behind. All right, you put your weight on your front leg while pushing it behind, and you hold around where he's holding, or in the middle where you're going to see some two buttons there, up and down. That is the place where you're going to hold it to walk. All right, and when you put your weight behind, it stops automatically. That one is to prevent you from falling. Every treadmill has its own safety mechanism, and this is manual. Now, this treadmill is so good that anybody that's going to get this treadmill is going to get much value. Number one, it does not require current. This is what we're telling you about. So now, when I told him to do it so that people will see, when he had to put his weight behind, when you put your weight behind, that is for those of you in the English speaking part of Cameroon, your back foot, all right, it will stop so that you don't fall and hit your head, so that you can balance yourself. All right. So now this machine, you can use it to do many things, from do your ab exercises for those of you who have a large stomach, and also it has this screen that this screen shows you your speed, your time, your calories, distance, and pulse. Immediately you climb on the machine to start walking or running, it's going to start showing you automatically. Are you seeing how it's holding it? That is one other safety feature. The handle is long enough for everybody to hold it. So with this machine, to gain your balance, you hold the handle, so that you can do it well. Now, another thing that people have been asking is, does this machine actually has an incline? It has a manual incline. This is it. It has up to 2 stages of manual incline, but you're going to do that from behind, like he's doing there, like that. That is how you adjust the incline based on the level you want to work with. Now, when you use this particular treadmill, you burn more calories than somebody that is using a normal treadmill, because number one, the speed is not even. All right. Now, this treadmill also comes with a pair of twisters. Twisters are for those of you for abdo. All right. It helps you to shape your stomach. So twisters are very good for those of you who have large stomach. All right. It helps you to cut down those bad fats by those sides if you do it constantly. Anybody that is buying any treadmill from us, I'm begging you, please make sure you use your treadmill. Now, the next one is to use the stepper. The stepper here has only one particular difficulty, so you cannot really adjust it to different difficulties. They put it in an average difficulty that is okay for you to work extra cardio and work those your muscles of your leg. All right. Now, if you are having low bone density, if you are getting old, please, before buying this particular one, don't use this stepper. It's not good for you. All right. Yeah. So as you are seeing, you hold the handle in front and you just step on it as you want it to go. Now, guys, if you've watched this particular point, we'll employ you to please like our video and comment and let us know where you're watching from. The next place is to take those steppers up, and then you can do this particular exercise. This is to train your arms and your chest. For most of you men who do press-ups, and so this is another alternative. And you can see how this machine can carry his weight, right? This next one is for those of you who are working abs. And bet you cannot do up to 10 of this, so do them gradually. You can do even 5 or 3 gradually until you get used to doing this particular exercise. Now, guys, the next one is to actually pack your treadmill when you're done using it. But this is another exercise for those of you who want to work their biceps and triceps. This is for those who are doing to work your arms, your arm muscles of your arms. This is the exercise to do. So with this machine, you have so much in just one particular little machine. All right. And when you're done, it is easily, you can unmount it, just put it like this and take it to the corner or side of your living room, parlor, or maybe room, and then keep it. And that is it. Very nice. So guys, thank you for watching this video to this particular point. If you've not watched the first one, we are going to release it soon, where you're going to learn how to mount the product. Now the next one, when you're done, you have to tie this particular twisters. It has its belt there. You just grip it and that is it. Then you can push it. It has some wheels that you can just push to any side that you want to push to. That is just it. Guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be having many videos to share with you guys come 2026. And thank you for being with us. See you in the next one. Bye.